We are back once again with the closing to America Rebuilds VHS from 2002. So, let's play the tape.
If you would like to learn more about the work at Ground Zero, visit PBS online at pbs.org. Funding for this program was provided by the Alfred P. Sloan Foundation, which seeks to enhance public understanding of the role of technology in society and portray the lives of the men and women engaged in scientific and technological pursuit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aunt Sophie. Happy birthday to you.
Funding was also provided by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Okay, folks, that's gonna do it for the closing to America Rebuilds VHS in 2002. If you guys enjoy, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Now, very serious warning. For those of you who like to comment on my videos in the comment section, which I don't mind, any disrespect to 9/11, the people that passed away during 9/11, or jokes about 9/11 will be deleted off my comment section. It is a serious thing, and it's very disrespectful to 9/11 2001, because it is a very sad tragedy that we should not play jokes on and taking this very seriously. But if you guys did enjoy it, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great afternoon.